All right, quick video. My boy Sam be ready. Yep. Nope, wait. That guy right there. He sent me something on my my Amazon wish list. I don't think anybody's ever actually done it before, so yeah, we're gonna walk out to the. He says it's been delivered. We're gonna walk out there, and we're gonna see what happens. Oh, here we go. Here we go. What? Guess what? Everything on my Amazon wish list goes to my P.O. box. Good thing I didn't decide to walk out here during the live stream. All right, here we go. Whoop! Ha! Yeah, we're gonna go check out that post office box. I'm sure you don't want to watch me drive all the way there. It is a bit of a drive, but good thing I got to go to the store anyway. All right, let's go to the post office box. Whoop! Morning. Oh boy. Interesting. Let's see what it says. All right, so I did not expect two things, let alone one ginormous thingy. We're gonna find out. I don't even have a free hand to do the whoop thing, so I'll add some kind of transition into this. And here we go. Transition. Hey! Just got back from the post office. Little surprise, there was more than one package there. This one, I don't know what this is. So I'm going to open this first, but this one's actually addressed to the old local prepper. There's something in here. What is this? This is a gift receipt. Camping stove, portable backpacking stove. Let's see. I've never got one of these before, so this is a little off by me. I don't know who sent this to me. It's completely send a thank you note. So I guess I have to use this barcode to send a thank you note back to whomever it is, but they didn't send me a note. So let's take a look what we can see what we got here. I'm definitely going to do this barcode thing and send a thank you note back to whomever they are. This is a Hoo-Hoo camping stove, and all right, comes in this little thingamabob right here, a Hoo-Hoo. I don't know if I'm supposed to do a gear review on this, or if this is for me, or I don't know what this is, but it's very interesting. Got ourselves a little thingamabob, little cooking plate. This is pretty neat, guys. This is pretty neat. You know what? I'm gonna have to do a gear review on this, just to do it, just to pay homage to whoever sent this to me. I totally appreciate it, but it is in so many pieces that I just don't know that I can do it justice. I mean, there's even this telescopy thingy, which I don't know what it's for. So, but here's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna put it back inside of its package as you sent it to me. Whoever you are, thank you very much. I will be doing the thank you, the Amazon thank you notes that I've never done before, and yeah, we're gonna do that. So let me put this away, and like I said, I definitely will have to do a video on this camping stove, and we'll see what happens after that, guys. So Hoo-Hoo camping stove, nice. Okay, let's see here. Is there nope, nothing in there. All right, so the big box. I'm really starting to love how Amazon is like, this is how it came to me. Isn't that special? I'm going to guess this is what Sam Be Ready sent me. I have no idea what's in it, but it's pretty much open thanks to it's basically Amazon just completely missed the edge of the box with the tape, because I'm ripping through the tape right now. And they're clearly only using enough tape to just barely close these things now, because it was just way too easy. All right, let's see what we got here. Let's see what old Sam, hopefully nothing's going to, a lot of paper in here, another box, okay? What do we got here? All right, oh, there's a piece of paper right there. Heavy duty seed starter plant tray. Very nice. Let me make sure there's not a thank you thingamabob in here. I don't like to just go like tearing through stuff. All right, looks like I'm going to need a knife to open the box that's inside the box. Sam, did you send me this? If you sent me this, this is freaking awesome, dude. Because, yeah, I love this kind of stuff. Sturdy, heavy-duty, non-drain holes. Okay, or no drain holes. Okay, so I need a knife. Let's go get a knife. See how I did that? Pretty magical, huh? All right, let's get this sucker open, see what she looks like. Try to decide whether I can do anything with it right here for you guys. Obviously, I'll probably have to put it together. I don't know. I've never seen this particular brand before. All right. These just seed starter trays is what they are. Oh, I like it. Get out of here, box. Oh, I'm liking it. Thank you, Wildflower Child. This is from Homegrown. Okay, okay. Well, Homegrown is the company that I'm currently doing, going to be doing the garden for. And yeah, I do need seed starter trays. So yeah, this is going to work out perfect, man. I'll get some seed in these puppies. Let's get some seeds. Looks like there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'll definitely get these started like ASAP. And Sam, if this is what you sent me, I truly appreciate it. It is definitely going to come in handy. And guys, these are pretty heavy duty. So I might have to look these up and put these inside of my store, my own store. Okay. Well, I think that's about it, guys. Until the next time, stay safe, have a great day, and I'll see you when I see you. I just wanted to drop you a line, let you know what was going on in the world, and that's about it. Bye-bye.